Hi, friends. Welcome to Math, Kindergarten Math Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. All right, what I would love to do is to share with you how we're going to move forward with our work with shoes. So yesterday we talked about I can name attributes of shoes. Today we're talking about I can sort attributes of shoes. So I am going to erase the word name and write in the word sort. Sort. So I can sort the attributes of shoes. Okay. Now, what in the world does the word sort mean? What in the world does the word sort mean? I want you to say it out loud right now. You can say it to a friend, to a pet, to your mom, to your dad, to your imaginary friend, to a fairy that might be sitting next to you, or a dragon, an elf, I don't know. What does it mean to sort? Okay, I'm going to show you what it means to sort. And so what I'm going to do is share with you my screen right now. Let's see here. And then I'm going to start like this. Okay, here we go. So let's listen to what this says.
I noticed that some of the shoes are pink. Did you notice that too?
You can raise your
What
hand.
other shoe colors do you see?
You can raise your hand if you notice that some shoes are pink. And what other colors did you notice too? You can just say that out loud. Okay. And you can put it on pause if you want to still work in that question. So did you notice that some of the shoes are pink, and what other shoe colors did you see? And how many different colors of shoes are there? So I noticed that there are pink shoes, and I noticed that there are some other types of shoes too. There's like a black and gray, so black and gray. There's checkered, which is a pattern. It's not necessarily a color, but I'm going to name it. And gray and red. So I noticed five different things. And this asks us how many different colors of the shoe are there. And I saw 5. Yeah, did you see the same, or did you see more than that? See if you can count how many different colors you saw. Now, if you can see my little mouse right here, it says which group has the greatest number of shoes, and to place the circle, which I don't actually think, can I do it? Yes, I can. The greatest number, let's see here. Is it gonna let me do it? Whoops. Okay, here we go. Oh, no, it's not. Okay, that's okay. I actually don't need to do that. So, and like I said, this is a new thing for me. I'm learning how to use this is called a slideshow. And so the one that has the most colors, so let's look here. We've got, I mean, I know how detailed kindergartners are, how much you like the details. So we got dark pink, light pink, red, white. So it says that there are 3 different things in the pink, but I actually see 4. Okay. Then there's that checkered shoe. So I see checks, which is black and white, gray, red. So also 4. And then we have the black shoe, which is black, and there's like a light gray and a dark gray and white. So they're all the same to me. Maybe you're seeing different things, and they even have different numbers here. And you know, that's the thing about math, is that our minds can get so big and open with math. We're going to skip through that. Okay. So this is asking us, which is one way that we can sort the shoes? Okay, sort them by any attribute you would like. We're going to do this together. Will it let me do this? No, it won't. Okay, that's okay. So, what is one way you can sort these shoes? So, one way that I'm thinking is I would like to sort them by the attribute of color. So, I'm going to do pink. So, I would put all three of these together, and that would be one group. And then I would say black and white shoes is my other sorting group, is the attribute. The color is the attribute. So I'm sorting it over here. What's another way? Ooh, can you think of another way? I just thought of a way. Laces and Velcro. So I'm going to sort all the Velcro. So that would be the checkered, the light pink, and the dark pink together. And then the laces as another group over here. Okay, so sorting is putting things into groups that are the same. Okay, now this is saying that to sort shoes, but we're not going to sort our own shoes. So I'm going to tell you what we're going to do. We are actually going to sort things that we have around the house, or we're going to go out into nature and find things to sort. So maybe you want to go out into nature and collect a bunch of different things to sort. Okay, I'm going to show you this like thing that I have that has a lot of different things in it. Let's see here. So it is actually a candle holder, and the candle holder has a lot of like treasures in it. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the treasures on the table, and I'm going to sort them. So I'm already seeing that I've got some shells here. So I'm going to just put this right here so maybe you can see it easily. So I have shells. Go like this. Okay, so we've got shells. So I'm going to make a group of shells. This is a glass thing that I found. So I'm going to make a group of glass. I actually do have some glass. I have a crystal. I have another, this is a little crystal too. So another crystal. And then the rest are shells, crystals. Ooh, but these are looking like rocks. So I'm actually going to make another group of rocks right here. Rocks, 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 rocks. I have a lot of rocks in here. Rocks. I've collected these. I like to collect treasures, as you do too. I know you do. So we've got rocks, shells. Ooh, I don't know. These kind of look like crystals. That's going to be a crystal. Ooh, that's definitely a little crystal. Shells, shells, shells. Oh my gosh, look at how small these shells are. I went to Mexico one time, and there were so many shells on the beach. I came back with a ton of like these tiny, tiny little shells. Shells, shells, and those are all rocks. Look at this rock. This is the thing about sorting. It looks like a little vitamin, but it's actually a green rock. Yeah. Okay, so that's sorting. Go out into the world and sort whatever you want. And then tomorrow in our meeting, in our morning meeting, I want you to tell us what you sorted. Okay, and you can take a picture, you can upload it on Seesaw, you can, I don't think we'll have time for you to show us your collection, maybe in our small group. So you might want to keep your collection, maybe. That could be fun. So good luck sorting, okay? Reach out to me if you need any help.